Hey everyone! From January 27th to 30th, we had an incredible BDA week. Let's take a moment to look back at everything that happened. The first 2 days featured Mike Brownson with the NICET certification, in-building public safety communications training, preparing candidates to master essential skills for both Level 1 and Level 2 certifications. Days 3 and 4 were all about Westell hands-on training with Tom Warfield, offering practical experience with tools like test transmitters and spectrum analyzers. Participants gained critical skills in antenna verification, BDA programming, uplink optimization, and grid testing, wrapping up with a hands-on exercise and a written certification exam. If you're interested in joining the next session, stay tuned to GEM Systems social media for updates on upcoming training dates. See you next time.